Hi all, welcome back to Palette Life and this is Suma Babu. So today I am here with one of the beautiful concept I got from one of the book which I am reading presently. This is the 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. Okay. So it is a beautiful book. You can all should read because it's a culmination of so many beautiful concepts which is going to get a beautiful productive life. So you can see as the means like the saying in the last page, like as a warning, do not read this book unless you want a new way of living. That's it. It is a step-by-step guide to live a beautiful life. The author is introducing lots of new techniques which makes you more self-worthy and become more productive. Okay, so I have taken one of his concepts. So the concept's name is low information diet. In today's video, I am going to discuss about this concept clear, what is this all about, and how our present life is and how we have to change to get a low information diet and what all are the benefits. So this 4 area I am going to cover today. What is this low information diet? So we are living in an era like we get a lot of information instantly, whether we are wanting it or not, right? So we have our mobile phone in our hand, so it is kind of an extended hand to us. We carry that everywhere, almost everywhere we go, right? The author want to say that if you get the information overloaded, you get so many problems, you have to face so many problems. So the information we are consuming on a daily basis is obviously it is more. It is so interesting that we end up seeing all of the things we don't know. We really lose track of time, right? So once we sit for 5 minutes, it ends up minimum half an hour we spend that way, right? We keep on scrolling. So what happens here is that we get a lot of information which creates so many health problems, which gives you anxiety issues. You won't get time to do your stuff. You are really engrossed in scrolling. Your mind always get full and you overwhelmed with so many data of information. So it is affecting us like how the junk food affects us in the physical body. The same way more of information affects us in our health, means like a mental health, okay, which is all stored there, but we are not aware that how badly it affects us. So this is the beautiful concept. I felt like a low information diet. It is a kind of the term he added in that diet kind of thing. So I found it where he says how we have to start this low information diet. So you have to have a check on what you are consuming first of all, and now you have to track it. Okay, you as the first step you have to make sure that whatever you want really for you, decide that you are going to watch only that. So for doing that, so many steps you have to take. You have to cut down your social media scrolling time, and you have to unsubscribe which is giving you the wrong data or the data overloaded. Like, you can have set a boundary to that. You can stop that. Literally you are saying no to it. Okay, you can do that, you should do that. Name of news, you get so much negativity to you. Okay, because unknowingly we are consuming it on a daily basis. Most of the successful people, they publicly announced that they don't watch news channels. You can depend on the expert sources, so you have to find out that. So we have to focus on the high quality content. The information whichever we are consuming is really practically, is it going to help us? You have to make sure that. So those kind of information you have to consume. Concentrate more on deep work, which whatever our area is, we have to dig into deep to get more details in that field. So that is called deep work. So we have to focus on more of deep work. Important thing is that we get time to do our meaning. Means like you get more time to do everything. So as a part of this time management series, I'm adding this one concept which is I'm sure that which is going to be very useful to you. The whole point whatever discussed in that book I have taken up as a video. So this may, I hope that this may help somebody, so which helps us to manage our time so well. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope I have covered most of the things which I have mentioned in the books. See you in the next video. Until then, take good care of your health and bye.